So when loading in filament, make sure the end is properly cut, and also make sure that the filament hasn't caught underneath one of the other cables, right? So you can create a knot. So the end of the filament has to be a nice clean cut, otherwise it can actually sort of jam either in the hot end or in the AMS unit itself. And the reason for that is we're looking at 1.75 millimeters for diameter, so a slight difference when you cut it, if it's rough, for example, could actually turn that into 1.85, for example. Now when you put it in, you'll notice I put it in and it's now, the light is flashing, and nothing's actually happening. You can see the light flashing and it's actually moving, and if I take it out, you can see it actually hasn't bitten. Now the reason for that is when you put it in, you have to put it in a certain way so that it bites. So if that happens, just take it out, wait for it to reset as it has done, and then push it in to a certain level, not all the way down, so you can see now it's bitten and it's now taken it. And you can see now that the AMS unit, the ACE Pro, is actually taking it in. If you over force it, what can quite often happen is that you actually create the filament, you sort of create like a curve, and it can quite often come out of its trajectory and then end up spooling within the actual AMS unit itself, and then it never actually goes down the Bowden pipes. So that's something that's really important when you're doing the AMS unit.